Hello everyone, I am Deribari Baba, one of the Madalab University College of Health Science instructors. So today we are going to learn about the definition of the health. So I have outline, so course outline, this is my course outline. So under this course outline, we are going to learn about definition of health from different perspectives. So the word health is widely used in public communication and its meaning look simple. However, close looks shows different and diverse meanings. So for the purpose of this lecture, I am considering the definition of health from the lay point of view, professional and the WHO definition of the health. So ብዙ ጊዜ እንሰማለን። ብዙ ጊዜ we hear the term health in different public communication. And they have a different meanings. So when we consider these 3 point of view definition of health, one is layman point of view, professional point of view, and the WHO definition of the health. So these 3 points of view have a different meaning of the health. And it's better to understand, particularly health professionals and public health specialists, to understand this idea in details. Therefore, when we come to the layman point of view, persons are healthy when they are doing their activity with no apparent symptoms that is in them. So they are healthy. ይሄ ሄልዚ የሚባለው የጤናማ ሰው የሚባለው አንደኛ when they can do their daily routine work without any problem. And the other is there is no apparent visible symptom of the disease in them. There are different types of symptoms of the disease in them. ለዚህ ይህ ሁለቱ የራሱ ስራ ቀን በቀን የሚሰራ ዕለት በዕለት የሚሰራ ስራ መስራት ከቻሉና ሌላ ሲምፕተሞች ምልክት የሚታይ የኢማን ምልክት የሚታይ እነሱ ላይ ከሌለ ጤናማ ሰው ብሎ ይጠራሉ። ስለዚህ layman point of view, consider 2 things. One is they can do their work without any problem. There is no visible apparent symptom of the disease in them. When we come to the professional point of view, this is more of the objective part, and according to this point of view or health professional point of view, it refers to freedom from medically defined diseases and which need verifications. Then the definition, a point of view definition of that's provided from the health professionals. So to say someone is free from the medically defined disease, I'm going to confirm I should exclude that person which need more investigation. It can be physical investigation, history, and a laboratory, and that can be include sophisticated investigation like imaging, and the other laboratory problems. So when it comes to the definition of the health, from the WHO definition of the health, as we know, WHO defines the health when they meet at 1948 from the different state party, including the member of the United Nations. They have provided, settled the definition of the health in 1948, April 7. This is a common definition of the health from the different countries. So accordingly, the state of the complete physical, mental, and the social well-being is not merely the absence of the disease or infirmity. According to this definition of the health, to be healthy, there should be state of the complete physical, mental, and the social well-being, not only the absence of the disease or any impairment or handicap. This recently statement also include ability to lead social and economically productive lives can make someone's healthy. So WHO define visualize three aspects, the major three aspects of dimension of the WHO definition is one is physically healthy, mentally healthy, and the socially healthy. When we come to the each definition component of this WHO definition, one is the physical healthy. So to be healthy, someone to be physically healthy, they should be the body, the normal body organs should be present, and they should be also integrated with one another. The other is the physiological function of that body should also be maintained. So physically healthy, አንደኛ ሙሉ ሰው መኖር ያለበት አካል ሁሉም መኖር አለበት። ሌላ ደግሞ የራሱን ስራ መስራት አለበት ማለት ነው። Starting from the eyes, from the ear, from the hand, from the legs. So all the body function should be work well as there should be also physically ያ አካል ራሱ መኖር አለበት ማለት ነው። This means ability to perform a routine task without any physical restriction. Example, physical fitness needed to walk from place to place. This is need the body to work as well as the physically the organ of the body should be also available. So mental health is ability to learn and think clearly and accurately. Example, a person with mentally fit, retarded could not learn something new at a pace in which ordinary normal person learns. That means አንደኛ ability to learn and think clearly. They should be learning at what? At ordinary normal person learn. As well as they should have a critical thinking ability, should be think clearly, so that they doesn't need extra support at ordinary normal person. They should learn. ሰው መማር ያለበት መማር የሚችል ነገር አብሮ መማር ሌላ ተጨማሪ አሲስታንት አለመፈለግ ይሄ ሜንታል ሄልት ይባላል። Because the ordinary person can learn there. The other is social health. Social health is ability to make and maintain acceptable interaction with other person. That means celebrating during festival. ይሄ ያለ ነገር ነው። ሰው የደስታ ጊዜ አብሮ መካፈል አለበት። ሌላ ደግሞ when there is a more their close family member die, they should also be have a social interaction and create and maintain friendship and intimacy. This is very important. Most of the time እኛ የምናየው ችግሮች ጤና ላይ እንደ ጤና ማለት ነው according to the WHO definition is social health. Most of the time, majority of the people makes social interaction with someone, but that social interaction doesn't continue. There is no maintenance of interaction, acceptable interaction, maintenance የለው። ይታወቃሉ። ከዛ በኋላ በትንሽ ነገር ደግሞ ይጣላሉ ወይ በአይዲያ ሊሆን ይችላል። ስለዚህ that is considered as social health. ስለዚህ it is very important part. The other is emotional health, ability of expressing emotion in appropriate way. ይሄ የሚያስፈራ ነገር ካለ you should ለቦዲ ላንጉጅ የፊር ፍራቻ መኖር አለበት። ሌላ ደግሞ if there is something that makes you motivated, there should be happy and you should there may be an anger. ስለዚህ the response of the body should be congruent with that of the stomach. Should be congruent with that of the stomach. That makes emotional healthy. There should be ability of expressing emotion in appropriate ways. So emotional health is related to mental health and include feelings. Means that maintaining one's own integrity in presence of stressful conditions such as tension and depression and anxiety. So spiritual health, it is spiritual health ማለት አሁን የኛ እምነት ላይ የተማርነው በእኛ እምነት እኛ መስራት ያለብን ወይ ደግሞ ፕራክቲስ ማድረግ ያለብን ፕራክቲስ አድርጌ ማግኘት ነው ማለት ነው። ላይክ ቮላንታሪ ብዙ ጊዜ ቢዚ ፕሪንሲፕሎች እንማራለን። የኛ እምነት ላይ መሆን ያለበት እንማራለን። ከዛ በኋላ ያ ፕራክቲስ ማድረግ example volunteering, being positive, contribute to society, feeling of sense of belongingness and practice of self-care. እንደዛ አይነቶች ኤግዛምፕሎች ስፒሪቹዋል ሄልዝ ይባላል። ስለዚህ በእኛ ማድረግ ያለብን ነገሮች ማድረግ ይሄ that's called spiritual health. ስለዚህ ይሄ ዲፊኒሽን ኦፍ ሄልዝ በምን አስፈለገ? because health is very important part. It's positive concept emphasizing social and personal resources as well as physical capacity. ስለዚህ health is a resource. አሁን ሀብት ነው፣ ጤና ሀብት ነው። If we have a healthy, we can support individual function in wider society rather than in itself. ስለዚህ it is our input for everything. Healthy full lifestyle provide means to lead a full life with meaning and purpose. ስለዚህ ጤናማ ከሆን ብዙ ነገሮች ይረዳናል። ስለዚህ but what's the problem with the WHO definition? We have a common, we have standard WHO definition that's set as 1948 by WHO, but ይሄ WHO meaning of health ብዙ ጊዜ መጀመሪያ ላይ ተቀባይነት አለው። ከዛ በኋላ ግን there is a different critics that's come from the different scholar as well as a different discipline of the health. ስለዚህ ምንድን ነው ችግሩ? አንደኛ የደብሊውኤችኦ ዲፊኒሽን ብዙ ጊዜ ቲዮሬቲካል ናቸው because the state of complete physical and mental social health, mental health cannot be invented because health is a dynamic, health is not a complete. So that makes it is not a practical, rather it is a theoretical issue because this definition of the health should be the implication for practice, the implication for the policy of the country as well as health service. The current definition of health formulated by WHO is no longer adequate for dealing with new challenge in healthcare system. So the time has come to upon the WHO utopian visions that we can no longer consider health as state of complete physical, mental, and social being. ለምንድን ነው? አንደኛ complete well-being ለማለት it is so extreme. እኛ አቺቭ ማድረግ አንችልም. It's nearly impossible to achieve. አንድ ሰው complete health ለመሆን አይችልም። ስለዚህ it can undermine the magnitude of someone who are healthy. Certainly never be achieved for all the people. አሁን አንዳንድ advancement of the medicine ሰዎች እየገፉ ይሄዳሉ ማለት ከዛ በፊት በቶሎ የሚሞቱ ሰዎች ሊቆይ ይችላሉ። ስለዚህ comes with aging. There is a many medical problems, emerging many medical problem, as well as there is also the majority of the chronic disease. Majority of the people who are affected with chronic disease are on the follow-up. So, which represent ever increasing population due to the growth of the aging rate and the improvement of survival rate for several years. ስለዚህ complete state of the well-being is ሰዎች ላይ አይታሰቡም because they have a chronic problem that is lifelong like HIV as well as aging related problem. ስለዚህ ይሄ complete state of well-being ከነሱ ላይ መጠበቅ በጣም ከባድ ስለሆነ it's not practical ይላል scientists. There are different type of scientists scholars who are critical this definition of health today. So mental health side probably ስለዚህ evidence የሚያሳዩ scientific evidence shows that average adult experience about 4 symptoms in the 14 days per evening. አራት ሳምንት 14 ቀን ውስጥ ራሱ አንድ ሰው ኖርማል ሰው they may manifest around 4 symptoms. ስለዚህ this is not good ነው ከሳይንስ ውጭ ነው። The second one is a significant problem to often underestimate, which is linked to the proper range of WHO definition of health, complete state of physical. ስለዚህ አንድ ሰው ዌልቢንግ መሆን የሚችለው በጤና ብቻ ሳይሆን ችግር እያለ ፖቨርቲ እያለ ኢኒኳሊቲ እያለ ዲስክሪሚኔሽን እና ቫዮለንስ ኦፕሬሽን እያለ ዋር እያለ አንድ ሰው ዌልቢንግ መሆን አይችልም። ኮምፕሊት ዌልቢንግ መሆን አይችልም because የሌላ ስራ ሴክተር የራሱ ወደ ጤና ወስደን መውሰድ የለብንም because it increase medicalization. ሁሉም ነገር ወደ ጤና ወደ እንትን ያመጣል ይሄ definition of health ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ for this reason it was considered much more political statement ይባላል rather than scientific one, rather than practical one. It is more of the political issue ይባላል። ስለዚህ ይሄ ነገሮች ሃፒነስ ነው እንጂ ጤና አይገልጹም። ለዛ ነው the political statement የተባለ ነው። The third one is critical aspect is increasing medicalization of society. Range of the definition and the positive conception of well-being linked to medicalization of the aspect of the life. ስለዚህ አንድ ሰው ደስተኛ ካልሆነ ደስተኛ ላይ ወደ ሜዲካል ሰርቪስ ይመጣል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ during this time there is a medicalization of society. ብዙ ጊዜ ወደ medicalization of society የህብረተሰቡ ችግር ወደ ሜዲካል ማምጣት አይደለም። ለዛ ነው የዲፊኒሽን ኮምፕሊት አይደለም፣ ስኖት ፕራክቲካል የምንለው። Consequently, person which belongs to social sphere other feelings vaccine belongs to medical domain. ስለዚህ if the nature of the problem is simple medical ያስፈልጋል። The cause of the problem can be a medical problem. During that time, it is known that the medical solution will be looked for other than any other type of solution. But it means that each minor deviation from the physical, psychological norm potentially becomes a loss of health and the consequently lead to demand for health care. ስለዚህ ሁሉ መሸከም አይችልም። ችግሩ ያንተ ችግር ሁሉም ነገር በፖቨርቲ ማፒነስ በዋሪም በቫብሬሽን ችግር ከተፈጠረ that person doesn't have not happy, it's not happy, it's now, but that doesn't need a medical solution. ስለዚህ WHO definition assumes that well-being is always linked to health, but does not consider that this assumption not to be correct in all cases. When individual coping with negative events, they feel sorrow, not well-being. ስለዚህ this reaction can be considered loss of health. Otherwise, everybody will be lost health nearly every day. ስለዚህ ይህ መጨረሻ ላይ ያስቀመጥኩት ነገር dispute the widespread of criticism from many different disciplinary backgrounds. WHO never been their definition of health, and it seems that they do not see they need to change their point of view. ስለዚህ እናያለን ምን እንደሚሆን አይታወቅም። ስለዚህ the correct definition of the health WHO ምን እንዳላረጉትም ግን ምን መሆን አለበት ነው ወደ በለፊቱ ምን መሆን አለበት። therefore what were the current suggestion of health definition of the health? ስለዚህ ጤና የሚባለው ሰው ምን አይነት ሰው መሆን አለበት ነው። there are ስኮላሮች ያስቀመጡት different suggestions አሉ። one is a capacity to copy with and to manage their own malaria and well-being. ስለዚህ አንድ ሰው ችግር ካለ የእሱን ችግር ኮፒ አድርጎ መኖር ከቻለ ይሄ ጤናማ ሰው ይባላል ያስባላል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ immoral operative term health may be conceptualized as capacity to react to all kind of environment, even having the desired emotions. ስለዚህ health is not reduced to disease or infirmity or to physical parameter. It is construct the capacity to be healthy. Generally healthy አሁን ስኮላሮች ፎርወርድ እያደረጉት ያለ capacity to be healthy, coping ability መሆን አለበት እያሉ ነው። ስለዚህ አብሮ የሚናይ ነገር ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ this is my topic today. Thank you for your consideration, for your attention, and follow my YouTube, and I will continue to provide very important essential part, particularly the research, public health, biostatistics, and epidemiology course. So they will come soon. Thank you.